We have made it to the last concept in your midterm review, okay? I know some of your homework had said something about box and whisker plots, but that part is not going to be on the exam. The last part of your exam will be mean, median, mode, and range, okay? If you're already familiar how to do mean, median, mode, and range, you ain't got to worry about it. Okay, so if you want a quick review, here we go. And of course, I've attached a worksheet into Heart Academy in my lab under topics, worksheets with answer keys so you can give practice, more practice than what I'm already doing in a video. Last thing. So now that I recorded all these videos, I want you to be really, really aware. I will not be reviewing these concepts anymore unless you have a particular question about what I've shown you through all these videos, okay? These videos take a long time, so I'm expecting you to return the favor and study it yourself. Don't come to class, ask me, how do I do this, Mrs. Hart? And I know you haven't seen one of the videos because I will direct you to the video. And then make sure that you study up as much as you possibly can so we can get the midterm exams completed. All right. Remember, guys, I do this out of love, but you got to meet me halfway across the street. So here we go. All right. So lots of people just tend to forget what the definitions mean. Mean, get it? Mean. All right. Mean is the average of a number. Okay. So remember, you can use your that's horrible. You can use your cheat sheet, and with your cheat sheet, if I were you, I'd probably write these definitions. The mean is the average of something. Okay. The average is basically adding up all these numbers and then dividing that answer with how many digits we have. How many digits do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it would be added all that up and dividing by 6. All right, and I'm going to give an example after I go through these definitions so that you might want to write these definitions, like I said, in your cheat sheet. The mode is going to be the most frequent answer. So the mode is the most frequent, okay? The most frequent answer or digit that you see, okay? The median, all right? Your median is your middle number. What number's in the middle? And range, that's going to be the difference between your smallest number and your largest number. So you would subtract those two. Okay, so make sure you know these, and let's practice the first one. And remember, when you practice these type of questions, I strongly suggest that you write your numbers in order first. So I'm going to rewrite these down here in order, 3 being my smallest number. And I see it twice. Take out that, take out that. And then I have 2 8s, a 9, and a 5. Remember, I'm writing these, just rewriting them from least to greatest. Step 1. Then I have an 8, and then I have a 9. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 8s. Always like to double check. 8 and a 9. So now that I got those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And remember what we were saying. Mean is the average. So if you add all of these up, okay, so that means 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9, and then divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, your answer should be 6. Okay? Now, the median, remember, is the middle number. So we're going to count off till we get to the middle number. Lots of students will do this as a means of counting off to make sure they have the middle number. Take one from this side, 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 and if I take one from this side, I have nothing left over. So if you have 2 digits left in the middle, what you would do is find the average of these. Okay? So to find the average of these, okay, so if you're adding all, let me try it again. Back up. So when we're finding the median is a middle number, okay? So you can count off until you get to the middle. If there are 2 digits in the middle, what you would do is find the average of these. So I have 5 plus 8, and then divide by 2, because there are 2 digits in the middle. But if you do that correctly, you will get 6.5 as your answer, okay? Mode. Remember, mode is the most frequent number that we see. This particular problem happens to have 2 modes because I have 2 3s and 2 8s. So it is okay to have 2 answers for a mode. You have a 3 and you have an 8. Okay, and remember the range is going to be the difference from the smallest number to the biggest number. So my biggest number is 9, my smallest number is 3. The difference means subtract, so 9 minus 3 is going to give me 6. So 6 is my range. Let's try another one, shall we? I'm going to move straight across over here to example number 6. Okay, remember, I think it's best if you rewrite them in order from least to greatest. So that means I have 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Remember, the mean is to add them all up and then divide by how many digits there are. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So add all these up, divide by 6, you'll get an average of 6. Remember, mean and average are the same thing. Median number is the middle number. Take one from this side, take one from this side, take one from this side, take one from this side. Okay, so I have two numbers that are in the middle. So what again you need to do is to add them up and then divide it by the 2. Okay, add them up, divide by 2, you're going to get 6. Add these up, divide by 2. Remember, mode is the most frequent answer. If you look at this, all these answers are written down one time. So is there a mode? There is none. Don't put 0, because then I'm going to think your answer is 0 when you really mean none. Okay? Remember, range is from the difference from the largest to the smallest. So 9 minus 3 is going to be 6 again. I'm going to do one more of these for practice, and you can try the rest on your own. Ooh, here's a large one. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is write these in order from least to greatest. So I have a couple of 2's here. So I have 2, 2, 4, 4, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Remember, the mean is to add all these numbers up and divide by how many digits there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're going to divide by 9. Add it up and divide by 9. You should get 6. Remember, median is your middle number. Take one from here, 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 take one from here. Look at that. I did not have to find an average. There was a number that was straight in the middle. So my median is 7. Mode is the most frequent number, and if you see, there are 3 9s. So 9 is going to be my mode. Your range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. 9 and a 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. There is your range. Practice a few more of these, and I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Make sure you put your definitions onto your cheat sheet. You can't have an example in your cheat sheet, but you can certainly have the definitions. And this concludes midterm review. All right, guys, I wish you luck. Love you all.